Main distortion problem was 3002 is just getting out of spec and old, and it just doesn't have the headroom it used to. So I went ahead and just dialed back the bias on that a little bit, and then went ahead and juiced up the two gain stages following that. So we bring our volume back up a little bit without affecting the gate either, so that's kind of a balance. Sounds good now. Still make it spit on really big notes, turn everything up. And hitting it hard. But vibrato mode. And high input. Can still make it break up though. Let's crank that. No sense in all that though. It's Boss CE1 now, all fixed up.